Okay, so we've got my GSXR 1000K4 that's having problems starting up. As you can see, it's currently plugged into a maximizer 3800. It's, if I can just get that to show, it's currently on charge, 13 volts, 0.76 amps at the moment. Just going to disconnect the charger. And we'll deactivate the alarm. You see, when I turn the ignition on, tank primes up's fine, all the dashboard's working correctly, and the lights are on fine. I'm just going to give my other half the camera and she's going to film it while I try and start it up so you can see the problem. So I don't know if you can actually hear that. Can you just come round to the back there? Just put the camera next to near the exhaust. And just see whether you can hear this. Hopefully you'll be able to hear it a bit better now. So it's not actually firing at all. So if anyone can help me, it'd be much appreciated.